So the next step on the Jarama is for us to bring the hydraulic system to life for the car. The hydraulics, the central part of it is right here in front of the steering wheel, and we have to make sure that this system's fully functional and leak-free before we put the interior in the car. Rick will explain the next steps on that.
So the cylinders have all been rebuilt, and the clutch system has been proven and tested. The clutch works, the car will move forward and back if we were able to. We're working on the brakes right now. The servos are back, they're rebuilt. We're going to put the servos in and fluid up the whole hydraulic system, check and bleed the brakes, make sure there's no leaks at fittings or anywhere else.
You can show them where the servos go up front here.
The servos go up here in the front. I have them on my workbench.
Right in
They
here.
Occupy this space. These are
These
the
are the
fluid
reservoirs.
bottles. You can see the clutch one is full. When that is all done, the next step will be to move it under its own power.
So we've seen this run, and very soon we're going to see it drive. Very cool.